Right, Kevin?
Yep, big one.
Big one?
Big one.
Big what?
Big van.
Big van? The big van is actually 7.4 metres.
Big van.
And do you know what it is?
Is it Carado?
Well, because we know which van you're doing.
It's Carado.
We've got a garage.
Big garage.
My goodness. What's this here, Kev?
Gas locker.
That's a big gas locker. Very big gas locker. It looks like we've got the blinds, we've got some type of...
External silver screen in it.
Oh, okay.
There's some seat covers down there as well.
The van has just arrived. So we hardly know anything about this van.
No.
It's a T449, it's a 2018, Kevin, and it's done 13,000 miles.
And that, Jason, what is that on the back there?
An underplate.
No. The big black thing along the back. A rear protection bar.
Why?
Well, it's not a tow bar.
Okay.
If you're bad at reversing.
Yeah, but if you're bad at reversing, then it's that.
See?
So
Not if it was only that high.
Ah, so if they're reversing into you.
Or a little wall.
A little wall.
Twin cameras?
Twin cameras, Kev. It's a 2.3 turbo diesel. It's 13,000 miles. It's 3,500 kilograms.
It's got a swing in the boot, in the garage.
What the heck's that? That's something they've made.
Something they made, isn't it? Is it to secure a bike or something? I don't know.
Clothesline.
Gallows? It looks like a set of gallows, doesn't it?
Nice colour.
Yeah. Silver.
Oh, did you get the supermoon last night?
No, I never looked.
Yeah, it was a blue moon. Supermoon.
No, but it's not blue, is it? It's orange, isn't it?
No, it's actually blue moon, they call it.
I know
Super
they call
moon.
it a blue moon.
Yeah. You got to see it.
Did you know all them clouds that were supposed to be in the sky?
Say again.
All them clouds that were in the sky last night,
Yeah. Where else would they be, Kev?
they're not clouds.
What?
Smoke from the fires in Canada. They've travelled over 5,000 miles and coming over the UK. I think we've got a solar panel up there as well.
Yeah, see the solar. See the solar.
See, even at my height I can see it.
Yeah. Nice graphics.
Yeah. Big fridge.
Kookaburra grey.
Big fridge.
Big fridge, you're right there, Kev. Standard alloys.
Yeah.
I do like those alloys.
Yeah.
Freshwater capacity.
130.
Oh, 122.
What?
Waste.
100.
Ooh, 92. Clever bike, Kev. Awning. God, that's a big awning.
4 metre, isn't it?
That is a big one. So let's step inside. We've not been in it yet, Kev, have we?
No.
It's classing itself 2 berths, 4 belts. Nah, it's not a 2 berth. Whoever's done this has got the statute wrong.
Look above your head.
I know, that's exactly.
It's a drop down bed.
Oh, yeah. Here we go. Oh.
Got lights up here as well, Jason.
Yeah, I know, but I can't work the lights up there, like, can I?
You can if you fancy it.
Oh, here we go.
There you go.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
What's that? That's in there. It's in there. That's a nice touch, isn't it? And do you know what I like as well? This trim that's on here.
Yeah.
So you didn't banging the wood. Same again on this side as well. So we've got
fans there.
Oh yeah.
Somebody's put them in.
When they're driving along, isn't it, or something? Just show the cab off, Kev.
Right,
You got a steering wheel.
Yeah, you got a standard cab. Oh, it's just got a small radio.
There's your camera.
Yep.
Yeah.
Trunk camera actually.
Oh, okay.
6-speed manual. No controls on the steering wheel for the radio or anything. Because it's a bog standard radio, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
CD player, I think, as well.
Right.
So you got curtains rather than cab blinds.
Storage under there, Kev.
Yep.
Oh, hang on. I'm in trouble.
Yeah,
Kev.
it's a 5 berth then now, is it?
I think it's turning into a 5 berth, mate. I won't, Kev.
Is that telescopic, that table?
Nice table, though, isn't it?
A marble effect.
Right, we might as well get it over and done with now, haven't we?
Yep.
Right. You sit yourself down, Kev, take the weight off your
I
feet.
was just having a look to see if it was telescopic.
Okay, quick look under here. fresh water.
Yep.
Yeah. Now to make the travelling seats up, Kev, there is a board here for seating. Yeah. It looks like that comes off.
That's removable, yeah. So you can use them 2 travel seats.
Right.
Before you start heaving on it, it's not electric, is it? We've had a bit past where we found a switch in the kitchen and it goes down automatically.
No. Tell you what, it's a nice kitchen. We'll get onto that in a minute, actually. There's a trigger here, Kev.
Yeah.
Little trigger. So, look. If I let go of that trigger, it stays there as well.
Yeah. Roy Rogers, the cowboy, his horse was called Trigger. You know that? Roy Rogers.
Who's Roy Rogers?
He was a cowboy in the 50s.
What TV series was Roy Rogers in? Look at your face now, you can't remember, can you?
It was Roy Rogers.
Yeah, what was it called? Don't give it away.
All right.
Do you know what it was called?
I can't remember now.
See?
I do know what it was called.
I don't even know who Roy Rogers is. Let us know in the comments, Roy Rogers, what was his TV series about cowboys, apparently. I'll tell you what I was thinking of.
What Roy Rogers was it?
I was thinking of
The Lone Ranger.
Lone Ranger.
Yeah.
Remember, with his little mask? What was the point of that little mask? You'd still recognise him anyway, wouldn't you?
And Tonto.
Was that his mate?
Yeah.
That was his
The
mate.
Indian one. And what was his horse called?
Let us know in the comments what the horse was called.
I don't know what it was called.
Oh, it was it...
He shouted, "Hi ho!"
wasn't it? Yeah. Let us know in the comments. We're just giving you, Kev, multiple choice all the time.
But there's no prizes. Slide that out there.
Hey.
Then a bit of cushion Jenga.
Yeah. Like so.
I think it. Oh, there you've got another one there, Jace. That'll go in there.
That won't, look. It's got
no, that's a soft one that goes on that side, yeah.
Yeah, this is probably going to drop there.
Yeah. I think it's just another single bed, so you're probably looking at 5 berth.
I'm going to retire from making beds up, Kev. Oh, I don't think this has ever been made up, you know. Put that one back in there. There.
Put this back one in. Oh, that one there, soft.
Where's that go?
Oh,
there,
it's shaped. Yeah, see the shape?
Yeah, I've got it, Kev, I've got it.
Backrest. There's 4 travel seats.
4 travel seats, single bed. Come thither this way.
I can't, there's a table that way.
Don't make an effort, Kev. There you go.
Thank you, Jason.
I tell you what, do them seats swivel?
Yeah. I'm saying yes. Yeah.
Camera work's not very good today, Kev.
Well, I'm trying to multitask. Yeah, they've got levers there for swivel seats.
So they do swivel?
Yeah.
So, we have quite a nice...
Good size dining area, isn't it? Yeah.
Haven't we?
Yeah.
Why do you always chop my head off in the videos?
Because people are fed up of looking at you going,
Leave it like that, Kev. Bit of storage.
Yeah.
Yep.
I think I've got
Oh, that's nice.
It's a good size hob, isn't it?
That's nice, that
Better
is.
than your little triangular thing.
Yeah. Very countrified, isn't it? I do like that.
Cast iron pan supports, aren't they?
Nice little sink. We are getting a grill and oven.
Yeah.
Yeah. Plenty of
Which is good for a Continental. Then.
soft close or non-soft close.
Soft close.
Oh, look at that. And then, it's not full-size fridge, it's like a...
Fridge freezer.
Bigger than you, that is, Kev.
Fridge freezer.
I'll tell you what I'm like, I've got Tolly there. This is nice.
Yeah.
Like that. Now, come thither. You know when I was on about that's a single bed?
Yeah.
I found you another bed, Kev. There.
Yeah.
So after bothering about making that bed up, right, we've got another one here.
You don't know why, bud.
No, I don't. But we don't do it for ourselves, Kev, do we?
No.
We do it
And
for
I like
the
the
viewers.
fact it's a manual bed.
I love manual beds. All day long.
Yeah. Less to go wrong.
So we have got a one. That's probably, could be a 2, but it's
double.
a
We get 2 kids.
comfortably one.
2 kids up there.
Now we have a door.
We've got a door there. We've got more than one door.
No, we've got,
Lots of doors.
what was that?
Clip the bed up properly.
We've got a door, Kev. Shall we see?
What's behind the door?
You ready? Oh, I think you're going to like this. You ready?
Yeah.
Look at this.
That is a good sized double.
Ain't it just?
You can sleep 3 in that, because you're in the middle there, you get one either side. It'd be like sardines.
That's alright. I tell you what, somebody likes the fans, Kev.
Oh, I've got another fan there.
So, look at that multitasking Cav. Cupboards,
That's your workout, it's your gym.
skylight, 2 great windows there. Cushion.
You've even got a vent in the roof there, haven't you?
Yeah. Wardrobe.
Yep.
Are they same size?
Yeah.
Not his and his then, is it? It's just his and his.
Yeah. You got cupboards below here as well, Jason.
I'm coming down, I'm coming down. Right.
Nice separate shower.
Separate shower.
That removed ductboard.
Removed ductboard. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's so you're not walking into the shower when you're in and out of the bedroom, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's basically an ensuite. There's your throne.
Bit tight in here, Kev.
You know why they call it a throne room? We discussed this the other day when we were doing that van handover.
Yeah, the chap actually told you, didn't he?
Yeah.
Why, Kev?
Because the king used to sit on the throne, i.e. toilet, and speak to people. Actually sat on it. And they all used to go down out and out into the moat.
Storage.
Storage.
Skylight.
Skylight.
Triangular. Oh, look at this instead of masticking up. Look at this, look at this. See a little trim in there?
Yeah.
I like that.
That's better than mastic, isn't it?
That's I do like that. That's a great little shout, that is, you know.
Yeah.
Bit of trim in there.
Yeah.
Wow. I've never seen that before, have you?
Yeah. It's like a solid silicon trim, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, like you get them silicon things that you can bake in the oven with and all that.
Yeah, I do like that.
When you screw your sink in, it compresses it.
Yeah, I like that.
It won't discolour, like silicon goes black, doesn't it?
Yeah, or just no maintenance at all, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm liking that.
Like the nice big windows in the bedroom as well.
Yeah. Minnie.
Yeah.
This is a great van, this is, Kev. Yeah. This is, again,
you've actually got, as well, if you've got 4 people in, you've got your curtain to give you separation. I'll show you in a minute. There we go.
That's better.
Tonight, Matthew.
Carado. Who's this going to suit, Kev? It's a 4-berth. Family.
Family, yeah.
No problems
nice
with family.
Van. But,
yeah.
A nice big van for a couple.
We'll just stand back here and pan round and take a look at that bedroom.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah, and then just go forward. Let's just do a bit of camera work, Kev. Get your money, get your money.
Shower.
Yeah.
There's your wardrobe, nice big window. Huge bed. That is wide for a
Isn't it?
island bed.
Yeah.
Usually get your island beds out that wide.
Just spotting down here, Kev. We've got the Truma system there.
Ah, yeah.
The heating and hot water as well.
It's quite handy, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just lean out of bed and put the water heater on.
Yeah.
Ready for jumping
warm,
in.
just turn it off, can't
Ready for jumping in shower.
Great bedroom. That's one of the best bedrooms we've seen, actually.
Yeah.
For the bed. The bed's the winner on that. Toilet's a little bit tight for me. Just tell me what you think.
Yeah, you've got to keep it swiveled in that position so that you can shut the door, haven't you? But when you shut the door, I don't know, that's okay, that.
Okay, must be me.
I mean, it's a lot tighter in my van than it is in here.
Well, you're in the camper van, Kev. Yeah. I'll tell you what, like nifty, how that's in there.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
Your kitchen area on all the Continental vans are always going to be like
always a bit tight, yeah.
The L-shaped one.
I made a shelf that slotted on the back of those seats.
I know, it was bloody awful, Kev.
It did the job.
It was awful. Love the hobs. And I like this.
Yeah.
Oh, that's heavy, that is as well.
It's cast.
Loving the hobs. We've got the grill, the oven, probably for the English market as well. We've got like a 3/4, nearly full-size fridge freezer. Perfect if you've got a family. We've got the spare bedroom above. We can also make an emergency bed or another bed as well. That could fit 2, but easily 1 person.
Have we discussed the price on this?
Anywhere between 50 and 55, aren't we?
Yeah, it's 2018, isn't it?
Yeah, I would have thought so. Really, again, it's airy and it's light. It's a nice family van, actually. Giving you everything you've got. Great garage as well.
Yeah.
good size gauge. We've got the tally up there as well. Can you fit a tally on the back? Is there provisions?
No.
No. So more than likely, yeah, this is going to swivel out, Kev.
That'll swivel out. So
That'll swivel, and then we can turn it. So there you go, the Carado. It's low mileage, it's under 13,000 miles. It's a T449 on the Fiat Ducato, and there you go. So we've asked you a few questions about different celebrities. Get your own work, get your comments in, and let us know. And we'll see you in the next video.
Every day's a quiz.
Every day's a quiz and a school day, Kev.
Well, let's go find some more and we'll think of some more quizzes.